These things really hurt when they bite, like right on the tip of the finger. It sends pain all the way to the shoulder. Pulsating pain. This one's a little bit too tame. I don't like it when they're this tame. I like the exchange of bodily fluids. Let's see if I can get this little shit to bite. Come on, bite me, you little shit. These things hurt when they bite. The more painful the bite, and the more venomous. Come on, you little shit. Oh, you little shit. He's contemplating it. Gotta just kind of... I miss my baboon tarantula. Some asshole made me move the cage out into the sunshine because I wasn't living at my house, and fuck, you got me good. Damn it, you didn't see it, did you? Oh, come on, you little bastard. I groan when they bite, especially at the tip of my fingers. If you don't like spider bites, do not let them bite you on the tip of the finger. That's where all the nerves are and shit. Come on, you little shit. Be obedient now. Bite. Usually these things are more aggressive. Well, that's the way he's going to be. That's the way he's going to be. Then I'm just going to eat the little shit.